What's up, guys? How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cess Paulo, and today is finally the day that you're going to take down these ugly curtains that I hate so much. The reason why I don't like them is because when I bought them, I didn't get them cut to the right size. They cut them shorter, and also they don't have curtain rings. So as you can see here, when you draw them, they don't have a beautiful look. You don't get a nice clean look, and that's what I want to achieve. So you saw me in the last video where I was installing the curtain rod brackets, and today I'm just going to install the curtain rod and the curtains, and it's as easy as you can see here. You just put the rings inside the curtain rod, and then you just put it on the bracket, and voila. So that is how I installed the one on my window, and now this is the one in the living room door. So same step, you just put it inside, and that's how it goes. And if I would tell you guys something about buying curtains, is that when you're buying them, just try to invest in ones that have the curtain rings, because they make it look way classier and even more expensive, and they just make it look super nice. I'm sure you can see here. So this is how it looks now in the living room after I transformed it. So I tried to record during the day, and as you can see, this is how it looks, but I couldn't film the whole of it during the day because the light was too much. It was overwhelming and it was too dark. Like, I could only record these parts, and the other part I couldn't, so I decided to film this at night. And as you can see now, this is at night, but you will clearly see the curtains now, and this is how they look. And wow, don't you guys just love the transformation? Remember how it was before with the curtain box that were not painted? Then we painted them white, and then the curtains were gray but not big enough, and now we have curtain rods and white shears. The reason why I went for shears is because I feel like curtains, the material is a bit heavy, and I wanted something easy in my house, something that looks very easy on the eyes. It's airy, it's simple, so that's why I decided to go with double shears, and these are them. So for the living room, I installed 6 meters for the window and then 3 meters for the door, so a total of 9 meters. Reason being is that my curtain rod is 3 meters, and so if you want to achieve the gathers that I've achieved here, if you have 3 meters, you go double. So you put 6 meters of curtains or shears, whatever you go by. If it's 1 meter, you put 2 meters of curtain. That's the only way you're going to achieve the fold on the curtains, as you can see here. Also, if you have noticed, my window used to be small. It was 1 meter, so I decided that because I've always wanted to have big windows, and because I don't have the big windows, I installed the wall-to-wall curtain, because it gives it the illusion that the window is big. Even though it's small, you might think the window is big, especially at night. Yes, it looks very nice, and I love it compared to how it was before. Oh my god, I feel like curtains and paints, that is like the best way to transform your house, maybe especially your living area. Invest in curtains and a nice paint, a bright color, so that you also bring in the maximum light into your house, because this is how it looks. I love it.
I can feel your heart racing, 'cause everybody knows, yeah, everybody knows. And I can feel your body shaking every single touch. That's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. I find it so hard being addicted to your love. I find it so hard being addicted to your touch. I find it so hard knowing that you are just my drug. I find it so hard knowing you treating me like a mark. We ain't gotta talk about it right now, 'cause every time we talk about it, just stare at the floor. Give me the stars like a
I'm now installing the kitchen curtains, and as you can see, this is it, the rod, the shears. And for the one on the window, I'm supposed to cut it, but I've not cut it yet because I've not had time, so I'm just going to fold it down. But anyway, this is basically how I installed it, the same way. And here in the kitchen, I'm just going to fold it as I said, and then let the one on the window drape down, and it looks beautiful. I think the kitchen has been like my worst part when it comes to, okay, minus the washroom, my kitchen was the worst part. But after installing these curtains, I now love it because it looks so nice. Oh my god, the video does not even do it justice. It looks way better than this. I know some of you are wondering, white shears in the kitchen, are they not going to get very dirty? But actually guys, this is my 3rd month that I'm using these shears, and I thought I'd have to wash them like every 2 weeks or even after a month, but these, I've used them for 2 months now. This is the 3rd month and I've not had to clean them. So you don't have to be scared of white curtains or white shears, provided you don't let people get inside your house with dirty shoes, and you also clean your floors regularly. You are going to stay with your curtains for long, 2, 3, maybe 4 months, I don't know. But I don't know how practical this is when you have children, because kids can be quite messy. But I think if you don't have kids, maybe you can just enjoy the freedom before kids. You can also try gray shears if you're scared. They still look very nice. Gray shears are also amazing. But so far, I don't know of another color of shear that looks nice. You can tell me in the comment section. I don't know if nude colors would look nice in a house, especially as shears. I don't know. You guys tell me in the comment section what you think the best colors are to use when you're using shears as curtains. By the way, I bought these shears all the way in Githurai, and they were going each per meter it was 350, but then they sold it to me at 300 per meter. So for 300 per meter, and I don't know, I used how many meters in this house? I used 17.5 meters for this house. And for the shear, the light one that you're seeing me touch here, the one I'm using as a blinder, I bought it at 100 bob per meter. But actually it doesn't do a good job, so I wouldn't recommend it because it doesn't give much privacy. So just go for the one for 250 or the one for 200. And this, I told you, I love sitting here to relax just next to the window, the kitchen window, because I can get fresh air open and no one will see me. So at night I love having my coffee here, my uji, and just looking at the dark, watching the stars. And it's just a nice feeling when you enjoy being in your own house. You don't have to go to a club. I mean, why go enjoy somewhere outside? Just use that money you're going to buy whiskey with and make your house nice so that you enjoy staying in your own house. So that's it. Now we are done with the kitchen curtains. Now let's close the balcony door because I don't want mosquitoes to come inside. And by the way guys, I don't know, but most people say curtains are more affordable in Eastleigh, but I think even Githurai, they are the same price, and sometimes even in town they are the same price. So before you go all the way like somewhere very far to your house, just confirm the prices near you, because sometimes you go somewhere far, you spend a lot of time, a lot of money, only to find out that you actually didn't save anything. Maybe you even spent more, or even if you saved something, you saved like 200, but then you spent a whole day on the road going somewhere. So always do your maths first, like ask around you. And yes, so this is the bedroom. The bedroom window. As you can see, I had to film during the day because I don't know what happened to my bulb, the one in the bedroom. It's not, I can't put it on, but anyway, that is how it looks in the bedroom. And guys, I hope you're loving this video. I hope you're enjoying it. I hope you're loving the transformation. I hope you're inspired. I hope you're everything good and nothing bad. So if you do that, kindly subscribe to this channel. Follow me on Instagram at Ses Designs, at Ses Paulo, and at Dreamluxe Decor. And what else? Tell me what else in the comment section. So that is it, guys, for my curtains transformation. As you've seen, if you'd like to see how they look like from the moment I moved in here, go and check out my previous videos and see how the journey has been, because I am still on this journey. There's still so much I have to do. Even to these curtains, I still have to cut them because they're too long, they're draping too much, and I want them to be kissing the floor. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.